What up, guys? 2-package mail day, and here we go. First one's from Yi. I think it was his mystery packs. Yes, sir. Dual dang in the front from Gold Standard. Gotta break out the knife. So we got Luol Deng, Gold Standard. 9 of 25, which is his jersey number, so that's a 1 of 1. And we got Anthony Randolph, SPX, away jersey, 3-piece jersey, on sticker auto, 208 of 599. And the main hit of that pack, mystery pack, was the Cousins, totally certified rookie, 164 of 593. Yeah. So thank you, Mr. Crazy MJ. And the second package, it came in a little letter. I bought it off of eBay, I believe, from Pack Busters. Yeah, it's weird. I haven't had much that comes in an envelope, but I think it is not the card I was expecting, but it got here pretty fast. This is just the Deron Williams insert. I just got it because it was numbered 8 of 99. The card I was expecting was the final Timeless Treasures Rookie Recruit signature that I've been waiting for a long time. I actually bought it on eBay at about, how long ago was that? The 14th. I bought it on Valentine's Day. And, no, I didn't. Looking at the sold. Yeah, I've been this Deron Williams I actually bought, like, when did I buy this? The 20th. So it took about a week to get here, and I purchased the David Anderson on the 1st, and it still hasn't got here yet. So I hope it shows up sometime. Yeah, that's it. I was gonna show you the whole set, because I thought that's what the card was, but it's not. So I'm gonna have to keep on waiting. Peace.